Hey everybody, this is Paul with Water by Design. This video today is going to be more informational than a how-to video, but it's going to be explaining a question that we get a lot, especially people using the hot tub or owning a hot tub over a period of time. They'll experience dashes on their hot tub. This one has a 10 dash system. This is a Caldera Vacanza series tub. If you have some of the older model Calderas, it may just be 4 dashes as opposed to these 10. If you may have dots, different operating systems are going to display a flow issue differently. In particular, this one's going to show you the 10 dash system. Basically what that means is your hot tub through the top side display is trying to tell you that there is a flow issue with the hot tub. And to kind of explain the whole plumbing circuit, if you will. Water's going to go in your filter, through your filter, down into your pump, through your heater, and back into your hot tub. So somewhere along that line, there is an issue, whether it be a physical issue or a mechanical issue. There is an issue that's causing the dashes to show up on your spa. So the first thing that we're going to want to check is your clean filter. Make sure you have a good clean filter in your tub. So you're going to want to open up the top of the filter and actually remove it from the tub, inspect it, make sure that it looks good, and think about the last time you actually used a filter soak, because another thing that you're going to want to keep in mind is even though your filter might look crystal clear, beautiful, white, you may have a bunch of oil inside the pleats that are clear, and even though the tub filter looks white, the oil may be restricting water flow. So easiest way to test that is to turn the breakers of the hot tub off, remove the filter, turn the breakers on the hot tub on, and while you're doing this test, just let the hot tub run without a filter in it. If it fixes the issue right away, try cleaning your filter really well, put your filter back in. If the dashes come back, repeat the process, but leave the filter out, and you may have to either purchase a new filter or try a clean, basically a degreaser on your filter, if you will. If you have checked all of that, and let's say we're operating this system currently without a filter in it and the dashes still remain, then you know it's not a filter. You can check that off your list. The next thing you're going to want to go to is the pump. Jet Pump 1, if you do not have a circulation pump, Jet Pump 1 is the pump that actually runs to make sure you are getting water flowing through your heater. So sounds silly, but make sure Jet Pump 1 low speed works. It's going to be a 2-pump system, so you're going to want to make sure that the Jet Pump low speed works, because we have seen in some scenarios Jet Pump 1 low speed doesn't work, Jet Pump 1 high speed does work. So the first time you're going to hit it, which it's working right now, but the first time you're going to hit it, Jet Pump 1 low speed should cut on. The second time you hit it, it'll be high speed. So you're just going to want to make sure that both of the jet pump speeds, especially Jet Pump 1, because that's actually what causes the spa itself to heat with your hot tub. So if you do have the jet pump that's not working, give us a call, give your local dealer a call. It's more than likely jet pump that is going to have to be fixed, replaced, something along those lines, but that is going to be your issue. So if you are getting good flow rate through your pump, you can check that off your list. And then aside from that, if you know you're getting a pump that has good water flowing through it and your filter is good and you're still getting the dashes, then it unfortunately is going to be a sensor, either a flow switch, a pressure switch, a high limit sensor. One of those sensors is causing this defect, and you are just going to want to give us a call or your local dealer a call. We can come out there, replace that sensor for you, and get you guys back up and running as quick as we can. Hopefully this explained what the dashes are. And kind of what they mean and how you can fix them. If you have any other questions concerning this, if we didn't touch anything on this video that pertains to you, just give us a shout. We'd be more than happy to talk it over the phone with you. But hopefully this brought you some information that has been useful to you. Hope you guys have a wonderful day and keep enjoying your hot tub.